What do you guys think is in this? I think it's probably the rum. No, sir. Ratty, look here. Vibes Cartel. Oh, my being special somebody. Look at. I'm Bridget Sanders, you know. What are you thinking this? I think it's rum. But let's have a look. Let's have a little look. My son is back from Jamaica and he brought back all these little things wrapped in newspaper. So we are going to open them for him and we're going to see what he brings. So let's go. Okay, where should we start? Let's start with this one. So what do you guys think is in this? I think it's probably the rum. No, sir. Ratty, look here. Vibes Cartel. Fever. I don't know if this is honey. I'll have to find out. What are you thinking this? I think it's rum. But let's have a look. Let's have a little look. And it is indeed white rum. Rum. Guys, I've got a lot to go through, you know. I've got a lot to go through. And this is another fever. And this is another rum, honey. Okay. This is rum. White rare nephew. And I'm gonna see what's in this. This is rum cream. Guys, so far I have done all this and I've got these remaining and these remaining. But see the people, my son went to Jamaica for a month and he's back, and look at all the goodies he brought back. All of Jamaica come with him. He brought back a roast breadfruit, well peeled and put in a file. Cheese. Tasty cheese. See there? We have taken new banana chips. Even foot scrub him and brought back, you know. Foot scrub and Jamaica castor oil, the brown one and the dark one. Look over here, so one liquor. I put an estate signature. Vibes Cartel Fever. Oh my gosh. Rare nephew rum cream. Look here, people. Magnum. I tell you. The thing up, you know. And white rum, you know. Yes, people.
Look at the camera.
You understand? Oh, yeah, man, look here. All of this. Loads. And the big one. Yeah, man, this one I think souvenir, man. But look, we right pan, you know, man. The Vibes Cartel telling about the Jamaica sign make it really, really powerful. Yeah, man. Over here, so we have the spice buns. Kudos spice bun, and in brought over some seasoning. It's cooked in. Yeah, man, look. We got the good old Maggi seasoning and some seasoning in there. Wow, well done, son. Well done. Loads of goodies. And we have the famous Jamaican.
We have some t-shirts with some tree night and girls
Let
are
me see
drugs.
let me see the What the new t-shirt him brought up a Jamaica t-shirt where the t-shirt where run the place in a Jamaica right now.
You say? I don't want to say, you know, say.
Yeah. Wow, at them t-shirt there run the place at Jamaica, you know. Girls are drugs. What? Girls are drugs. Oh my gosh, people.
And the motto for the 1 month trip. Yeah.
Wow.
399 code.
399 the code.
Yeah, 399
oh
God.
my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
True believer, not a new believer.
True believer, not a new believer. Wow. Mad. Tell you. Man enjoy himself. I see what? I said something but I can't put it in the camera. Can't put it in like. Can't put it in. Eh? Okay. And he also brought this overthink special somebody. Look at. And Bridget sandals, you know. Oh my God. Him thing up. So people, may I tell you now, like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me how the man do, man. May I tell you him did great. I love it. Yeah, man. Yeah. go pick up some clothes outside. No, come with me to go outside. Pick up. There are some caterpillars on the ground, and I do not want to step on them. These ones are dry.